Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi Mix Flip, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, after tapping on it, you can check on the graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, 34 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings, then camera, contacts, and other. We've got also the unlocks and notifications count. So basically, you've got two different ways to check some further details. If you want to, you can tap inside this graph, and then you will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show you the overall screen time. And under it, you've got the all of the apps which you've been using listed with the specific time you've spent on them. Here you can compare the screen time between days. As you can see, on the Saturday it was 3 minutes, and Monday 34 minutes. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. So this is how it works. And you can also check the details for a specific app, for example, the settings or the camera. Just tap on it. And again, we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one specific app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.